Hello friends, myself Mukesh Patel from Atmiya Institute of Technology and Science for Diploma Studies. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Explore Technology. Today we'll discuss the topic creating, insert and delete operation of singly linked list. First we'll see how to create a node in a singly linked list. The algorithm is first we'll see whether the list is empty or check whether any node exists or not. If first is equal to null, then write linked list is empty. That is equal to first is equal to null. To create a new node, we remove the node or free node from the availability list. If first is equal to null, then temp is equal to oval and oval is equal to link of oval. Then we are assigning the value inside the node. Then assign null to the address part for the node to indicate the end of the list. That is link of TMP is equal to null. And assign address of first node to the first variable. That is first is equal to TMP. Next we'll see how to insert a node at beginning of a singly linked list. Suppose this is a singly linked list, that is start from 20, 30, then 40. And here in the first node head is pointing, but whenever we are inserting a new node, this is the new node, and whenever we are inserting a new node at the beginning, at that time what we have to do here, the pointer which is pointing to the first node or first element of the singly linked list head, we are transferring the pointer head to the first node, that is the new node, and the link of the new node will be assigned to the head, that is the singly linked list. Then we'll see the algorithm for inserting a node at beginning in singly linked list. First we have to check the availability list whether it is underflow or not. If avail is equal to null, then availability stack underflow. And in the next step, check whether any node exists or not in a list. If there is not any node in the list, then remove the free node from the availability list. That means if first is equal to null, then TMP is equal to oval, oval is equal to link of oval. Assign data to the new node, that is info of TMP is equal to x. X is the element of the element which has to be inserted. Then set link of node to null, that is link of TMP is equal to null. Then if there is any node available in the list and then insert a new node, assign the data to the node, that is TMP is equal to oval, oval is equal to link of oval, then assign the value and set the link, that is link of TMP is equal to first. Then assign the address to the first pointer, that is first is equal to TMP. Then we'll see insert a node at the last of singly linked list. Suppose this is the linked list which contains 10, 30 and 50. First time the link part which contains null, but whenever we are inserting a new node at the end, that is this is the new node which contains the element, here we have to assign the link, that is equal to null, and the link of 50 has to be provided to 40. So in this way we can insert a new node at the end of the singly linked list. Then we'll see the algorithm. First we have to check the availability. If avail is equal to null, then it is underflow. Then create a node and set the data and link portion. So after that assign the data to the information part, that is equal to info of TMP is equal to x. Then we have to set the link portion of the to the null because it is the last node of the list, that is link of TMP is equal to null. If there is no node in the list, that is if first is equal to null, then first is equal to TMP. And if there is any node in the list and put the new node at the end, then we have to perform the first node, that is we have to assign the address, then traverse the list till the last node is reached, then we have to put a pointer temp to the particular position and then set the link, and we have to put the null part at the last node. Then we'll see the delete operation. To delete a node at the beginning of a singly linked list, that means suppose we have a singly linked list which contains 20, 10 and 40, and we are going to delete the node that is 20 from the singly linked list. So first it is head is pointing to the first node. Whenever we are deleting the particular element, this pointer will move to the next pointer, next element, that is to the 10, and the link will be removed from the node. We will see the algorithm for the delete operation. First we have to check the empty list. If first is equal to null, then linked list is empty and underflow. Then delete the first node. If there is only one node exists in the singly linked list, then link of first is equal to null. Then we have to free the particular node and first is equal to null. And if more than one node are exist in the singly linked list, then assign the address to the temporary node, move the first pointer and delete the node and free the free space, that is we are uh, free the particular uh, memory location which have allocated to the node. Then we'll see how to delete a node at the end of the singly linked list. Suppose we are having the elements 20, 10 and 40, and we are going to remove the element 40 from here. So what we have to do is the link part of the element 10 we are assigning as null, so the particular node will be removed. We'll see the algorithm for the delete operation. We have to check the empty list, then assign the address of the first node to the TMP. TMP is equal to first, then traverse the list till we are reaching to the last node. For that we are providing here a loop to traverse at the end of the linked list, then assign the link of TMP to the null which will terminate the list. So list of TMP is equal to null and we are free the particular node. So thank you friends for watching this video.